In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen on your videos in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I have here a subscribe button that I'd like to go ahead and add to my video, but as you can see, it is blocking the major part or the other part of the video, and I'd like to go ahead and remove this green screen. So to do that is quite simple. Just head over to the clip that contains the green screen on the timeline here, and then click on edit. From edit, go ahead and click on AI tools. Now from the AI tool, go ahead and find the first option, and you'll see we have Chroma key. So if you toggle Chroma key on, this will go ahead automatically and remove the green screen, and you can see now the subscribe is detached from the green screen. You can go ahead and adjust the tolerance by moving this up and down until you find a clear cut of your video. So we have quite a number of parameters that you can enhance, like the edge, feather, and thickness. You can go ahead and adjust them until you find the appearance of your video to the optimum. So now you see the green screen is gone. So that's how you can remove green screen on your videos in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.